truly dominating the planet for 138 million years. After the Triassic came the Jurassic, and after the Jurassic came the Cretaceous. The famous T-Rex appeared at the very end of the Cretaceous period. Even we humans might not manage to survive for 100 million years, so the dinosaur dynasty remains the most successful animal empire Earth has ever seen. But you probably already know what happens next. Our final mass extinction event was about to arrive, and this one was different from all the others, because what destroyed the entire dinosaur dynasty was an asteroid from outer space.